Today guys, I show you how to download Windows 11 on your PC or on USB. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your browser and type like me on Google Windows 11 and you will see from Microsoft download Windows 11. Click on it and you will see here Windows 11 installation assistant. Just go here download now if you want to install Windows 11 through this PC. If you want to create Windows 11 media like USB or DVD, just go here download now. To make ISO files for 64 device, select here download and choose here your ISO and go here download now. In this case, we go here installation media, go here download now, click on it and save your installation. And you will see here media creation tool, just open it and you will see this new window. Just scroll this and go here accept. After that, choose here language and choose Windows 11 edition. You can check here use recommended option for this PC and go here next. You will see here USB flash drive, you need 8 gigs, your USB stick or ISO files for your DVD. In this case choose USB flash and go here next. Connect your USB to your PC and go here refresh drive list and you will see your USB. Just go here next and you get your setup for Windows 11 on your USB. You will get like this, just start setup and you have installation for Windows 11. And that's it all guys for this video, how to download Windows 11 on your PC or on your USB. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.